Okay, I used to be the one, nene, don't cut your nose, usifanye hivyo, tebu nyamaza, Esther. I will do it. I have learned a new trick. What is up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I'm gonna start by prepping my eyes with this Morphe concealer in the shade C3.65. Blend that bad boy in and then go ahead and set it with my Beauty Bakery setting powder so that my concealer does not move, and this is going to be a base for my eyeshadow for something to stick on. Now, disclaimer, this video was not even supposed to be on YouTube. It's only a Instagram video, but you guys asked for it, you guys are getting it. So it's a lot more shorter, it's a lot more quicker, it's not much to it, and it's a voiceover, okay? So I'm grabbing these two beautiful palettes by MILANI. They were kind enough to send me this in a PR package. So I start off with the first eyeshadow and grabbed that Overbaked eyeshadow, and I worked that into my crease. So I end up grabbing this Dark Dimension eyeshadow palette and grabbed that Lust eyeshadow and just worked that into my crease a little bit lower, but I definitely blend that bad boy in there. And then I grabbed that green eyeshadow, which is called Twisted, and I worked that all over my eyelid like so. First of all, these eyeshadows are amazing. For it to be MILANI, I mean, I'm not saying MILANI is bad. MILANI is actually an amazing makeup line for a drugstore. Every eyeshadow is buttery, it blends amazing, and it's just so creamy. So I do love that, and I end up grabbing that eyeshadow called Dark Side, and I just worked that into my crease as well, just to darken this look up, smoke it out a little bit, because I felt like it was a little bit plain. So then I end up popping my lashes, and these are Omar Cosmetics lashes in the style Queen. I've been loving these lashes non-stop. They've been my go-to lashes. Do y'all see what I'm talking about? Yes, honey. I will leave this in the description box. Check it out, honey. Okay. So I end up grabbing my Laura Mercier foundation primer and just work that bad boy into my skin like so. For foundation, I grabbed my ColourPop No Filter foundation in the shade 175. And I just worked this into my skin. I haven't used this foundation in such a long time, so I decided let me use this foundation because it's been a minute, and I love it because this foundation is right on the money. It's like my skin shade, okay? So I love that. I can get away with just rocking this foundation and just like bronzing up my face, and I'm good to go. Like, that's how bomb this foundation is, and it's so lightweight, so it's not too heavy for the skin, especially for the summer. I wouldn't say it's the best foundation if you have like acne scar. It's not like extreme full coverage, but it's definitely there. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with my Morphe concealer in the shade 3.65, and gonna bronze up my skin and contour with the shade 5.45. These two combinations, well, I like, you guys already know, I like concealing with the same concealer that I'm going to bronze out my face with. If I can find a shade that's darker, I just do use the same same brand. But I am liking this concealer. I don't know if you guys remember, I really didn't like it as much. I wasn't crazy for it, but then the more I use it, the more I'm actually loving it. It's full coverage, that's for darn sure. So a little does go a long way, because I am heavy-handed with my concealer, and I just love the look that it looks. It gives me, I go heavy-handed, okay? And I always tell you guys, makeup is fun. It gets off, it comes off at the end of the day. So it's actually okay to go a little bit heavy-handed with the concealer. Just make sure it's blending and it just looks amazing at the end of the day, okay? Okay, so yeah, we just blending that bad boy in. I hope you guys like this quick, Instagram was not supposed to be on YouTube makeup tutorial. I do love this hair color. I know some of y'all gonna ask me about this hair color, this wig. Do not worry, this video is coming up today. It's gonna drop tonight. So it's going to be like a back-to-back video for y'all, so then y'all can see how I colored this bad boy in. Because y'all, I am so in love with this color on me. It just looks so amazing on my beautiful chocolate skin. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yes, girl, I am contouring my nose, and you guys know I never contour my nose, but ever since I posted that other makeup artist does my makeup, girl, she snatched the hell out of my nose. I said, "Oh my god, I've been sleeping on this." Okay, but I still think I don't need to contour my nose. I do just need to put a little bit of color on my nose so then everything coordinates really really well. Because girl, my nose is really really small, and I don't think I need to be contouring anything up in there. I do not want to just no, okay? But I am going to be just doing that, or at least bronzing up my nose just to put a little bit of color, because I realize when I highlight, when I conceal, the concealer touches my nose, so then, I have to like, bronze up or contour or something. But nonetheless, I love it. Okay, I used to be the one, nene, don't cut your nose, usifanye hivyo, tebu nyamaza, Esther. I will do it. I have learned a new trick, and I will keep using it. So now I'm just going to set where I bronze out my face with this Anastasia powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just like, just look at the skin. It just looked like a bag of money. I was mad that I wasn't going anywhere, but half of these makeup videos that I do, I never go anywhere. So it's just like, it just never gets old for me. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow that I used on my eyelids, on under my water lash line. Same concept, reverse it. Okay, and I'm also going to grab a mascara and bring those bottom lashes out to Jesus, because honey, we need to bring them out. Okay, but I love how the smoky eye, the green smoky eye, just looks oof, amazing. So I'm going to grab my Milani, no, I'm sorry, not Milani, Mented Cosmetics blush. This is in the shade Berry. Oh my gosh, you guys, these blushes have been a go-to for me. I'm so glad that I got my hands on them, because they're amazing. They're just beautiful on my skin tone, and they're going to be beautiful on your skin tone, period. Okay, period. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight with this highlighter by MAC Cosmetics, and this is Gold Deposit. It's been a minute since I used this bad boy, so I was just amazed on how beautiful and subtle and natural, natural this highlighter looks. I will give it to MAC Cosmetics. Their highlighters be natural as hell. They just blend into the skin, and they're not so chalky. So for lips, I'm grabbing this liquid lipstick by V Lace, and it's this chocolate brown, just amazing, and it's called the Alexia. It's just so beautiful on me, and this look just looks amazing, you guys. I didn't plan this, honey. When it comes to my Instagram mini tutorials, I just be winging it. Look, I just be winging this shit, and look, everything just coordinates so beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm gonna set my face with this MAC setting spray. And my beloveds, this is it for this glam. It was quick, it was simple, it was straight to the point. Okay, you guys, make sure you follow me on my Instagram page. I will leave the link in the description box. And for this hair tutorial, it's coming up tonight, so look out for that if you're into this blonde, honey. All right, I love y'all so much. Now pena sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
They know my story.